everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will create this motion animation with fruits image in Canva. I am using YouTube video design. Open the Elements tab and search for pineapple image. Select this one. Remove the background image and resize the pineapple image. Now search for green apple image from Elements tab. Remove background image and resize it. Then continue to add of the canvas orange and strawberry images. Remove background image and resize. Rotate to apple, strawberry, and orange images. Now it is time to select all images and make group. Add new page. Go to text option and select add a heading. Type pineapple, orange, strawberry, and apple. Make more space between each text and resize. Now copy of the text image and paste to the first page. Delete the second page. Change the font style and resize like cover of the canvas both side. Like so. Select the text image. Go to the layer option and send back text images from fruits images. Now pineapple text and image replace middle of the canvas. Resize them. Change background color to photo color. I choose this one. Let's change text color like same as pineapple image color. Then go to Effect option. I chose Lit Style and make intensity 90. Time to duplicate first page. Select Fruits Group Images. Rotate and replace the orange image middle of the canvas. Scroll up the text images and replace the orange text middle of the canvas. Change color for orange image and text to like photo color. I chose this one. Continue same process to third and fourth pages. Like second page. Now time to add sound effect and background music. Open the Apps section and search for audio. And find out your favorite sound effect and music. I choose those effects and music. Add transition. Move and match. Let's see. Time to watch preview my design. Have fun and thank you for watching.